All right, after that 12-minute video, I think you'll be happy to see that this one is going to end up being much shorter. Example 2 here, factoring by grouping, is the idea that when you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, however many terms, when you have a bunch of terms and they don't share common factors, so you can't factor out a common factor out of all of them, what you want to do is identify groups that share common factors, put those groups together, and then factor them separately and go from there. So if our original expression is this, and we want to identify groups that share common factors, well, factors of x are shared in term 1, 4, and 5. Terms 2, 3, and 6 all share factors of y. Okay, so if we want to factor out our factors of x, looks like we have an x squared in each of these. And aside from the x squared, we also have a factor of 7 that we could pull from each of these. Okay, how about over here? Well, we have a factor of just y, and we can pull out a factor of -4 from each of these. So we're going to say minus 4y. All right, once we get to this point, what will often happen is we will see that between these two terms that we resulted in, these two groups got factored. So now we have two terms. On either side of this subtraction side, there's two things. So the first term and the second term, they also have common factors now. Common factor is 2a, 4b, minus 5c. 2a, 4b, minus 5c. So we have 7x squared and -4y both being multiplied, the distributive property, both being multiplied by 2a, 4b, and -5c. Okay, so find those groups that share the common term, group them together, and then just factor them like normal. That's all there is to it. And with that, we are done with example number 2.